this? Who ripped all of the toilet paper up? Who ripped all the toilet paper up? Did Joey? Did Joey rip all the toilet paper? Whose is this? Did you rip all the toilet paper? Did you rip all the toilet paper up?
Where's Joey? I think you ripped the toilet paper up. Joey, did you rip the toilet paper up? Did you rip the toilet paper up?
Who did this? Who did this? Did Joey do this? Joey's not supposed to rip toilet paper. Joey's not supposed to rip toilet paper up.
Who all ripped the toilet paper up? There's a bunch of toilet paper. Who ripped out the toilet paper? Did Joey rip the toilet paper? Who did this? No ripping toilet paper. Okay.
No ripping toilet paper. This is my curse.
Hi, Joe. We're home. We're home, Joey. Were you having a sleep? Or what were you doing when we were gone? Joey, what were you doing when we were gone? Joey, was this you? Oh my gosh, Joey. This was you? Whose is that? Did you do that?
Joey, did you rip the toilet paper up again? This is the 5th time now. No ripping up toilet paper. This isn't yours, okay? No more ripping it up.